Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending morning weight loss drink and detox drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken one cucumber. You just need a small piece of cucumber, so chop off one end and peel off the skin. Cucumbers are very healthy ingredient as they are rich in antioxidants, low in calorie, high in fiber and has essential nutrients such as vitamins C and K. Apart from weight loss, it also keeps your bones, skin and hair strong. It detoxifies your body and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Chop them roughly. Now keep this ready. Add it to a blender. Then to this add one piece of ginger. Ginger on the other hand helps in weight loss and lowers cholesterol levels, balances blood sugar levels and heals inflammation. It stimulates digestion and helps in weight loss. Then to this add 20 pieces of mint leaves. Mint leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron and potassium. It treats bloating and maintains blood sugar levels. It heals joint pain and swelling. Blend this to a coarse paste. Then to this add 1 cup of water and blend well again. Then strain and add it to a mug like this. This drink cleans your body and liver. This drink helps to lose 5 kgs in 5 days when you maintain a proper and healthy diet for the rest of the day. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat-coated drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or nursing. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this fat-coated drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.